Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about something that could make your life a whole lot easier when tax season rolls around. The IRS is planning to make its free tax filing program, called Direct File, a permanent option starting in 2025. This is huge news because it means more people will have access to a free, easy way to file their taxes. So, what exactly is Direct File? Well, it's an online program that guides you step by step through the process of filing your federal tax return. This program was tested earlier this year, and it was a big hit. Over 140,000 people used it to file their federal taxes, and the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Next year, the IRS plans to expand this program to more states, meaning even more people can take advantage of it. This program is part of a broader effort by the Biden administration to save Americans time and money and make sure families get the tax benefits they deserve. So, let's break down how Direct File works. Before you start, you'll answer a few screening questions to see if you're eligible. Initially, it was only available to people with simple tax returns. For example, if you only had income reported on a W-2 form, you could use Direct File. But if you had other types of income, like from a side gig or a business, it wasn't available to you just yet. The good news is, the IRS is working on expanding this so more people with different tax situations can use it next year. And unlike other free filing programs that have income limits, Direct File has no such threshold. It's available to anyone who qualifies based on their tax situation. Now, to use Direct File, you need to create an account and verify your identity using ID.me, a secure digital identity network. Once you're set up, there's also a live chat function to help you if you run into any questions while filing. Keep in mind, Direct File doesn't prepare state tax returns yet. If you need to file a state return, the program will direct you to your state's filing system once you're done with your federal return. And now, you might be wondering about the costs and benefits. So far, the pilot program has cost around $32 million, with about $75 million budgeted for next year. But considering the time and money saved by users, many people feel it's worth the investment. In fact, 90% of users rated their experience as excellent or above average, and nearly half of those surveyed had paid to file their federal returns the year before. Direct File is just one part of a larger overhaul at the IRS. Thanks to funding from the Inflation Reduction Act, the IRS is also improving phone service, digitizing paper-filed returns, and enhancing the Where's My Refund tool for better real-time updates. The agency has also collected millions in back taxes from wealthy individuals who hadn't paid what they owed. This move to make Direct File permanent is a big step towards making tax filing simpler and more accessible for everyone. With the ongoing improvements and expansions, it looks like tax season might become a bit less stressful for all of us. So, what do you think about these changes? Are you excited to try out Direct File next year? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to stay tuned for more updates and tips to help you navigate your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.